We have been working a lot on verbs in the classroom, and today you're going to get an opportunity to practice finding verbs within a sentence. I'll remind you that verbs name an action that someone or something does or did. Verbs are action words like jump, dance, sleep, breathe, play. In our activity today, we're going to read some sentences and we're going to find the verb. Let's do a couple together. Let's read the first one. Rain pours down during the storm. I have to figure out someone or something and their action. Oh, I see. The rain does something. What does the rain do? What action? It pours. So pours is our verb. Let's look at another sentence. Read with me. Frogs jump in the pond. Someone or something does something. Oh, I see. The frogs jump. That's an action. So the frogs jump is the verb into the pond. Let's do the last one. Sue likes to read books all day. Someone or something did something. Oh, Sue, what did she do? What action? Oh, I see. She likes to read. So read would be the verb. Let me show you a slide so you'll know exactly what we're doing today. We're looking for action verbs. So you will read this sentence and you are going to choose one of the three options over here as the verb. So read the sentence, think carefully, what is the action word, the verb? And whatever you decide, you will move into this box. So again, if you decide it would be swings in that sentence, or park, or played. And you can see how you can move them back and forth if you accidentally make a mistake. Please make sure you complete all your slides and turn them in.